Hi everyone, I'm here for Jack Cooling Masculine Wash, and we have a question here. So, is it okay for women too? Yes, this Jack Masculine Wash is okay for women because this is only a body wash. But of course, this is specifically and specially designed for men's private part. So, ibig sabihin, ginawa talaga sa kanila ang Jack Cooling Masculine Wash para sa mga lalaki. But of course, ang magandang benefits kasi nito para sa mga men is that it has a great cooling effect. Especially for men, they like to go outdoors, very active sila. So this is perfect for them. Kasi, again, it has a cooling effect. Second is that it's antibacteria. And then, it fights unwanted odors as well. So, yung mga lalaki naman talaga, usually yung under the sun, hindi katulad natin mga babae na takot sa araw. So, this is really specifically designed for them. But of course, as women, we can use this as well. But of course, may mga ingredients talaga na specifically for men lang. But this is very gentle. This is a gentle, intimate wash. So, pwede din sa atin talaga to. So, again, you can get this for buy one, take one, 98 pesos lang. So, you can get 2 items for 98 pesos. And you can check it out on my yellow basket. And if you have a question or you have concerns, you can always send me a message. You can send a comment below. Thank you.